So guys, in a SketchUp, if you want to create something like that, just using a native tool, you don't need a plugin. So what you have to do, guys, first you need to draw a rectangle here. So here I'm drawing it. Now guys, you need to subdivide it. So right click over the edges and select a divide option. Okay, so here I'm right clicking over the edge and then selecting divide option. Just drag your mouse up and down to increase or decrease the division number. Okay, then hit the enter button. That's it. Now same I am doing from a bottom line. Now I am drawing a small rectangle using this division. So here what you need, you have to draw a cross zigzag line like that. Now here I am using offset tool on for rectangle triangle inside. Then I am just joining the point at the center. Okay, now same thing I'm gonna do with this lines of the triangle from center to center. Okay, so first I need to make it in a group. Okay, so I'm making in a group. So now you need to select the line that you wanna move. Okay, so here I am selecting this 4 lines. Okay, and then you need to use a move tool. Select move tool and then just click over the center of the line and then move in a green axis. Okay, that's it guys. Now what I'm gonna do, just select the entire model and need to make it tube over all the edges. Okay, so here I'm using one just Power to plugin and you need to fill the all parameters. So click OK, then your edges will be converted in a pipe. Okay, now we need for a glass option. So here I'm applying a glass material over here. That's it guys. Now you need to multiply at the same distance in both direction. That's it. Your complex model for a facade are created. Have fun. For more, please subscribe